Hi guys, today we're going on another one of our Gold Coast adventures. We're heading off to the Currumbin Valley today. So come on guys, jump in. Swimming in nature and swimming in the rain. There's something so rejuvenating about immersing yourself in a natural body of water that a swimming pool with its chlorine and tiled walls just can't replicate. Research certainly supports the notion that being in nature and swimming is beneficial for our health, with many studies showing it can improve our mental health, strengthen our immune system and lower levels of stress hormones. Dr. Natasha Campbell-McBride, who developed the Gut and Autoimmune Healing Gut and Psychology Syndrome, or GAPS protocol, recommends swimming in natural waters because, unlike swimming pools, they're teeming with biological energy from plants, amoeba, minerals and enzymes. So today we're here at the Currumbin Rock Pools in the Currumbin Valley, only 25 kilometres north of Surfers Paradise, to experience some of nature's healing goodness. One of the things I love about Currumbin Rock Pools is that it's one of those rare places where you are welcome to bring your dog, which is absolutely fantastic, because especially if you live in an apartment like we do, letting your dog out into nature is just fantastic for them as well. And also the Currumbin Rock Pools, it's a really family friendly place. There's plenty of amenities, there's shelter, there's picnic benches, there's barbecue area, there's well fitted out toilets. So it's a really awesome place to just come and spend the day. School groups come here too to use the facilities. They bring their tyres and float down the river and just have fun swimming in the rock pools. And there's places you can dive off the rocks, and there's deep places where you can swim. And there's also more shallow pools as well, where smaller children can do wading and all sorts of things. So yeah, for any water activity or swimming related activity, it's a fantastic place to come. Okay, so it's time to test the water. I got to admit it's a bit of a cool day, but lots of studies have shown that immersing yourself in cold water is actually really good for your health too. It can upregulate your cells and it's just really good for your health. So today I'm going to have a cold swim in the rain yeah, it's going to be awesome, I think. So it's a bit of a rocky bottom, so you sort of have to navigate your way sort of into it, but but the stones feel good on the bottom of your feet. Okay, here we go. I'm now at the rocks here, so I'm going to try and make my way over to the waterfall. Genuine experience to get into the rock pools. I tell you what, it's so beautiful and it's so refreshing, and it's still raining, which is, I think, just awesome. And yeah, I so highly recommend just getting into a natural body of water. It feels so good, and the water feels so soft, and there's no chlorinated smell, and just being able to touch the rocks, and yeah, it's just awesome. I feel really awesome. And I'm so excited today to have the privilege to model one of my cameraman's original designs. This dress has been designed by Gary Trezise, and the water bottle has as well. And I'll put a link at the bottom of this video so you can actually see where you can purchase it from Gary's shop on art selling platform Redbubble.